Here are some demonstrations of different lighting angles you can use or maybe not want to use in your photo and video work. We'll start off with Rembrandt lighting, which is the most common lighting as it's really flattering on the face. It's about 45 degrees to the right or left of your subject and about 45 degrees facing down. And as you can see, it works really well with portraits. Direct front lighting, where the light is sitting right in front of your face. This can look really good, especially for social media posts like your Instagram story or YouTube Shorts, where you want the center of attention bright and vibrant directly at the camera, very punchy, and all your focus is going right on the face. Though you should look out for two things. One, that it can create a shadow, a very strong shadow right below the chin, which can both be slimming or look like a really harsh black line right below the chin. And that since you're looking directly into the lens with a light right above it, it's going to be taxing on your eyes, especially if you're doing a lot of zooms or vlogs during the day. I've now moved the light directly to the side of me, and because the contrast is so high, you can only see one side of my face, and therefore the expression on one side of my face. So you're most likely going to use this lighting if you want to portray something very serious and intense. The light is now directly above me, facing down, and this kind of lighting probably conjures up the idea of an old crime movie where the detective is interrogating someone right under a lamp. Lastly is lighting from below, and yes, it looks like a horror film, and that's probably 99% of the time what it's used for, because it just gives this really strong shadow above your eyes and your mouth and your nose, which you're never gonna see in real life unless you're holding a candle in the 1800s below you. I mean, the sun and overhead lights and lamps are usually either about right at your face or above your face. So this is a very niche specific lighting that, hey, if you want to use it, go for it. But most people are going to think horror film.